my Square Foot gardening friends. It's a windy day, a windy March day here in Tennessee, and the ground is incredibly wet, and my normal garden is nowhere near dry enough to be able to plant in it. But my Square Foot beds, I've been planting in them some cool weather crops like carrots, spinach, green onions, beets. I've been able to work in this because Square Foot gardening is designed that the soil drains so well. We call it Mel's Mix. So I just want to show you real quickly what Mel's Mix looks like when the ground can't be worked, how beautiful Mel's Mix works for planting. You don't have to wait for the dry weather, and you don't need any heavy equipment. So let me just turn my camera. I'm by myself today, so I don't have anybody filming. I'm just on my phone. But here you go. We can take a look at what this Mel's Mix is like. So I haven't touched this yet, but here we can see it just breaks up so beautifully, and it's ready to plant. All I need to do is add a trowel full of quality mixed compost in here, and I will be ready to plant. So if I'm planting one thing, it'll be in the middle. If I'm planting 4 things, I would just make an X and plant in the 4. If I'm planting 9 things per square, I will go like this and like this, and I've got my 9 squares here. And if it's something that's 16, we will just make it like that, and we have our 16 marked off, and you know exactly where to plant your spacing. It's super simple, most wonderful gardening method, and I have tried a lot of them. Anyway, I hope this works for you, and this little tip, maybe just the thing that you can be planting more than one season a year. You can get out there early, you can work it late, you can cover this with greenhouse plastic or plastic and PVC hoops to make a mini greenhouse. I just love Square Foot gardening, and I hope that you will find it a benefit to you as well. Thanks. God bless. Bye-bye.